Number 1. 1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,100. This truck is a remarkably well-kept example of a classic American pickup. It is currently with its second owner and has just 130,000 original miles on the odometer. The truck is in excellent condition both inside and out, showing clear signs of careful ownership and maintenance. A true California vehicle, it is completely rust-free thanks to the dry climate and has never been exposed to harsh weather. Under the hood, it features a strong and dependable 5.7L V8 engine that delivers the kind of performance and durability these trucks are known for. The registration is fully up to date, and it has already passed the California smog check, making it ready for the road with no extra work needed. Number 2. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,500. This pickup is a solid project truck that runs and drives exceptionally well. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in its original white paint, while the interior sports a classic tan color. Despite showing some surface rust in certain areas, the body remains super solid overall. Mechanically, everything is intact and functioning properly. The truck cranks right up and cruises comfortably down the highway at 80 miles per hour with no issues whatsoever. While it retains its original paint, a fresh paint job is recommended to bring out its full potential. This is a great opportunity for anyone looking for a dependable vintage truck with tons of character and strong bones. Number 3. 1965 Ford F100, price $6,000, finished in black with a clean tan interior. It's powered by a newly rebuilt 390 CI V8 engine with under 5,000 miles, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. A 4-barrel Edelbrock carbon dual flowmasters give it a powerful sound and smooth performance. The interior has been fully restored, including new floor pans and an aftermarket stereo. It runs straight down the road with little to no play in the steering, and it's recently had a fresh tune-up. New tires are installed, and while it doesn't have a C, the setup is ready if you choose to add it. The truck runs on gasoline and comes with a clean Texas title in hand, a great example of a vintage F100 that's ready to drive and enjoy. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1967 Ford F100, price $8,500, equipped with a 352 cubic inch V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission. It has just 44,000 original miles and comes finished in sleek black paint with a clean tan interior. Originally from Oklahoma, the truck is remarkably solid with only minor rust present. Recently, the carburetor was professionally rebuilt by a local engine specialist, and the truck remains in stock, unmodified condition. It rides on 4 brand new tires installed just last week. The gas tank and sending unit, located behind the seat, are also new. The truck runs strong and has a great exhaust note, delivering the kind of sound enthusiasts love. While it's mechanically solid overall, it does have a small coolant leak, likely from an old hose, and the transmission shows some fluid leakage, believed to be from the drive shaft output seal. Number 5. 1964 Ford F250, price $10,000. It has traveled just 94,000 original miles. Painted in blue with a clean black interior, the truck retains much of its vintage charm. It is powered by the dependable 292 Y-block V8 engine and equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission delivering power to the rear wheels. Running on gasoline, this F250 offers a true old-school driving experience. The truck was repainted back in the 1980s and still shows well today, with only minimal rust, especially considering its age. While it may not be flawless, it easily turns heads wherever it goes thanks to its classic styling and solid stance. Overall, the vehicle is in great condition mechanically and structurally, and it comes with a clean title. It's an excellent example of a vintage workhorse that's ready to be driven, shown, or preserved. Number 6. 1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,600, well-maintained 4x4 pickup with 211,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Both the exterior and interior are finished in tan, giving the truck a clean and classic look. Originally owned by a grandfather, this truck has always received timely maintenance. It comes with a clean Texas title and is equipped with ice-cold air conditioning. The transmission has been recently rebuilt, featuring a shift kit and upgraded internals, completed less than 1,000 miles ago and still under warranty. Additionally, it has brand new rear main and oil pan gaskets, ensuring reliability and performance for the road ahead. Number 7. 1992 Ford F150, price $4,500, well-maintained Southern truck with approximately 190,000 miles on the odometer. It features a tan exterior and an automatic transmission. Over the past year, the current owner has been gradually restoring the vehicle, ensuring everything functions properly. The truck runs and drives smoothly with no mechanical issues or fluid leaks. Being a Southern vehicle, it is virtually rust-free, making it an excellent foundation for continued use or further upgrades. Although it is currently a 2WD automatic, it comes with all the necessary components to convert it into a 4x4 with a manual transmission, offering great potential for off-road enthusiasts or those seeking added versatility. Number 8. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,995. It has approximately 135,000 miles on the odometer and features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. It's equipped with a gasoline-powered 350 V8 engine that was replaced with an OEM crate motor back in 2015, offering reliable performance. Paired with an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive, this truck is built for both everyday driving and tougher terrain. Over the years, several updates have been made to enhance comfort and functionality, including a new headliner and dashboard, and more recently, updated chrome wheels. Inside, it comes with power windows, power locks, a working heater, and fully functional air conditioning. While the truck remains mechanically solid, it does show its age with some visible paint peeling, minor dents, and spots of rust. Number 9. 1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500. It is equipped with a 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and four-wheel drive, making it a capable choice for both work and everyday use. The truck has traveled approximately 190,000 miles and continues to perform reliably thanks to a number of recently installed new parts, ensuring it remains road-ready. With a classic white exterior and a bold red interior, the truck maintains a timeless, rugged appearance. It runs on gasoline and has been well maintained over the years. Included in the bed are a set of newer, more attractive rims and tires, though spacers will be needed to mount them properly, as they currently rub against the front calipers. Number 10. 1982 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. This pickup is a great opportunity for anyone looking for a classic truck project that's already roadworthy. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs strong and is ready to hit the highway. Under the hood, it's equipped with a dependable 305 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it suitable for both everyday driving and longer trips. The truck runs on gasoline and offers a solid driving experience for its age. Visually, the C10 features a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless, cohesive look that stands out. It's being offered with a clean title in hand, making the buying process simple and straightforward. This truck is being sold as is.